In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort x-axis in Power BI. Getting the order of your categories right makes your visuals easier to read and your story clearer. We'll walk through how to control that order directly from the visual, so you can quickly switch between alphabetical, chronological, or value-driven sorting. Start by opening Microsoft Power BI on your computer. Give it a moment to load, and then open the report that contains the visual you want to adjust. If you're already working in a file, you can follow along right where you are. Next, click once on the chart whose x-axis you want to sort. You'll know it's selected when you see the visual outlined and its fields highlighted in the Visualizations pane. This method works great for column charts, bar charts, line charts, and other visuals that use a category or date on the x-axis. Look for the three dots, the More Options icon, in the upper right corner of the selected visual, and click it. This opens a small menu with commands specific to that chart. Choose Sort By from the menu. You'll see a list of fields that are available to drive the order. Pick the field that makes sense for the story you're telling. If you want a simple A to Z list of categories, choose the same categorical field that's on the x-axis. If you need a true calendar sequence for month names, choose a numeric helper like month number instead of the text month. For date fields, selecting the actual date often gives you the cleanest chronological order. After choosing the field, decide on the direction. Click ascending to move from low to high, or earlier to later, or A to Z. Click descending to flip that order so the largest or latest items appear first. As soon as you make a selection, the visual updates and the x-axis rearranges to reflect your choice. If you don't see the field you expect in the Sort By list, confirm that it's part of the visuals fields and that its data type is set correctly in your model. For example, month stored as text will sort alphabetically unless you provide a numeric sort key. Also note that some visuals and hierarchies may limit sorting options until you drill to the level you want. That's it. With these selections, you control exactly how the x-axis is ordered. When you're satisfied, save your report, so the sort is preserved the next time you open it.